Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now here's another video for gestures. I know I said that the last video was only 10, but I look at Macworld and there's 6 additional ones that isn't on the app website. So we're gonna go over them right here, right now. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. So the first one, it tells you to swipe up with 4 or 5 fingers. Now this would get you to the multitasking screen. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and see what happens. 4 fingers, I'm gonna use it. Oh, but that took me home. Let's see. Oh, it actually worked. So what you gotta do is go up, kind of hold a little bit, and boom, there you go with your multitasking screen. So that's pretty dope. Now, number 2, it says swipe one way or another with 4 or 5 fingers. This is going to allow you to switch between the apps without going to the multitasking screen. So we'll go ahead and give that a shot. Once again, 4 fingers. I'm just going to swipe to the right. Wow, look at that. There we go. Okay, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. 4 or 5 fingers, swipe. Simple. Nice. Now swiping between apps too. Number 3, it says pinch the screen with 5 fingers, and that would take you back to the home screen. I was doing it with 4 fingers, and well, I guess I wasn't doing that. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a shot. 5 fingers, pinch. There we go, back to the home screen. Let's see if I can do it with 4 fingers. Not quite. Yes, you can. You just don't have to hold. 4, you can do it with 4 fingers as well. How about 3? Maybe 3? Oh, that took us to something else. Try it again. Oh, 3 fingers takes us to something. The 4th one is telling me to swipe from left to right with an open mail message. So I have to be inside the mail app to do this in landscape mode or whatever. You'll see an inbox on the plain to lift screen. I don't think I have my mail installed up here. So the next one says tap, hold, and swipe your Safari tabs. Just like a browser and desktop version. Blah, just tap and hold a tab and drag it one way or another. Tap, hold, do. Oh, there's a few gestures that I found on Macworld. Some of them are pretty cool, some of them not so much, and some of them is a definite pretty cool. I can see me using that one a lot. Switch between apps. So that'll be it for this video. Stay tuned for another one. I just want to upload something real quick and throw this out there why the idea was still inside my head. And just stay tuned for another video. Yep, later.